Hello, Year 10. I hope you're all looking forward to Christmas. Santa's coming soon.
I hope you get all your presents.
I hope that all of your Christmas wishes come true.
Stay safe and wear your mask in public.
Inshallah, everybody has a good Christmas and everybody stay safe, boys. Call of Duty is going out.
So as you've heard from the Year 10 boys, different ones wishing you a very, very Merry Christmas. Can I just remind you of what we talked about last week? I talked about your attitude. I said your attitude will affect your outcomes. Can I just remind you, your attitude will also affect your actions. And your outlook will affect your outcomes. Let's think about it. It's coming towards Christmas. Any foolishness, any silly things done next week could mean that you will not enjoy Christmas with your loved ones. It could be in isolation if you're silly. It could end up hurting somebody. So let's be very, very careful so that our actions will become our best wishes for each other for Christmas. You act well and everybody enjoys themselves. Now stay safe, and this is a once in a lifetime kind of thing. You probably will never have another Christmas like this, so make it count. All the best, Year 10s. Take care. Bye-bye.